I've painted in a car, in a plane, on a boat, in a train. All you need is water and the paints. Watercolor is frustratingly difficult. The merest suggestion from me to watercolor pretty much gives me the bird from watercolor. Watercolor's like, screw you and your ideas. I'm gonna do it my way. I recently put together a watercolor course. I'm calling it Watercolor for Rebels, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about it. Here's a true story. I was in college, and this very important, legitimate male artist told me that I probably shouldn't use watercolor if I wanted to be critically recognized in the art world. Watercolor apparently was something that ladies used to paint kittens and sailboats from their terrace, and is thus more of a hobby than a legitimate art medium like oil painting or bronze pouring. Really loved watercolor, and so I would paint with watercolor in secret. When you do something even though people tell you that it's not the right thing to do, that is the heart of being a rebel. Watercolor itself is a rebel. In this course, I'm going to lead us all in rebellion. I will cover my basic supplies list, as well as leading you through 6 different paintings, step by step, in real time, explaining everything I'm doing as I bring you through the process. You will be able to replicate the projects that I'm offering you in this course, or you can just learn some new skills that you can bring to your own rebellious watercolor practice. And if your rebellious watercolor practice includes kittens, then carry on. Please go forth with your rebel heart.